Hi, so I'm totally new to this unboxing thing, but I really wanted to give it a shot. I recently subscribed to both Bibbidi Bobbidi Box and Magic at Your Door, so I'm planning on doing those unboxings as well. But because I'm a total Disney fan, I managed to go into Japantown today in San Francisco. That's one of my favourite places to go. And I managed to get a couple of these boxes, which all have a little cat in them, a figurine keychain. I also managed to get one of these, which is a plush bag clip. So let's open these up. Sorry for the room behind me. You can see my pop boxes over there. Kind of a little bit messy, but looks like I can get it all sorted. Okay. Of course, it's harder for me to do that. Okay, so, aw, Minnie, pretty cute. Has one of these little bag tags right here. I'm not sure I'll put this on anything, but it really is darling. Okay, and now for the cats. I'm a huge Disney cat fan. I mean, my favorite character is Stitch. I mean, who doesn't love Stitch? But I am a fan of the Disney cats. So I bought 3 of these, and let's see what's in them. Okay, and this first one is, oh, pretty sure this is Lucifer. I mean, he doesn't look like such a bad cat, does he? Okay, so we've got Lucifer. And then we've got another Lucifer. So this one I'm probably going to either set aside if I ever decide to do a giveaway sometime, or just sell online. I don't need 2 of them. But I mean, he's really cute. So maybe if someone else finds him cute, I'll give you it. Let's see. And if this is for Lucifer, then I'm just going to say that for all Lucifer. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I mean, seriously, it's Figaro. And one thing about me is I hate puppets. Like Annabelle, Chucky, it actually stems from this Goosebump episode that I watched when I was a kid, and then my brother decided to totally scare me with it, so while little brother's 4. But you know what, I recently watched Pinocchio because I'm kind of trying to do a whole Disney rewatch, and Figaro is so adorable in that. So I'm really glad I have this, and I'm probably going to put it onto a bag or something. Well, I know I'm not really popular, but I gotta go catch them all. And thank you for watching. Hopefully when I do those 2 boxes, the Ultimate Disney box from Bibbidi Bobbidi Box, as well as the Magic at Your Door box, I can get a little bit better at this thing. But again, thank you. Bye.